she was also an exotic dancer.
When I enter the bag along talking.
It's done music.
Hey guys, it's your girl Siri here, back with yet another video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. Now, we're not in the bag along talking, so let's get into this video. Alright guys, so as you can see by the title, I am going to do a prank on my mom. She's currently at the hair salon, the same Platinum Hair Studio. I'm telling you guys to go and check out. Highly recommend. But she's there now doing her hair, and I told her that I got a full ride scholarship. So I printed the letter to let it look real, like let her believe. I don't know if I'm gonna get that reaction, but I printed out that letter, and it's just mainly for her to not suspect anything. And they have like a backdrop out there, so I'm going to do the video out there as well. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, so currently I'm editing the same video that you're watching right now, and I realized that I did not get my mother's reaction like how I wanted to. I think because I was doing the video in public, I was so shy, so I was more focused on pranking her than actually getting her reaction on camera. So I do apologize for that in advance. However, don't worry about that. The video is still bomb, so keep on watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And that's just it. I'm waiting about a long talking, so let's get back to the video, okay? Enjoy!
So this is the letter that I got, and it is like, I try not to use a real university, so I made up my own university, and it says Stunting University, blah, 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 blah. Then I said, it is a great pleasure for me to inform you that you have been selected to receive the Stunting University Excellence Full Ride Scholarship. And then I put all of that information. Then in the letter, I write and say, however, before being chosen, each candidate has to send in a video interview to the prompt. Name a significant person in your life to whom you look up to and why. And that's where I'm going to work my prank in. But you guys have to stay tuned to see how this goes down. Okay? Hi, my name is Sereni Anglin, and I would like to say thank you for considering me for the scholarship. And this is my mom, Nadine.
My name is Nadine Anderson. I'm Sereni Anglin's mom.
Yes, and she's the person that I've chosen for this prompt to say that she's the one that I really look up to. And my mom has been a hardworking woman. She has always been there for me. She's a single mother. She has worked countless jobs, and without her, I wouldn't be the woman I am today. My mom has two daughters. That's my sister and I. And she first started working. I know her starting working as a pharmacy, in the pharmacy, and she also started with her own business, as well as she did other side hustles, such as you know, she was also an exotic dancer.
Yeah, me never afraid.
She was an exotic.
Me never afraid. What kind of rate? What word?
She was. She was an exotic dancer, and she also did prostitution on the side. Mommy, come back.
Let's just it. Me?
Mommy, I scholarship money at 35 euro.
No, no man.
Mommy. Mommy, I need to finish what I'm doing.
Squint it.
Mommy, but
And I say squint. Not me. Not me. Me trust God. Not this girl. Me will work. Me will work. What I said.
Mommy,
money
I have
is
to
not
make,
all.
but I have to
Money
make it
is not
believable.
all. You know, it's alright. You will get called next time.
Nadine, go finish it up.
No, she not gonna go to this one.
Mommy,
She not gonna go there. I said I will work and send you.
Okay, but
I
so
will
many.
not give me
I have
life.
seen so many other
No,
candidates,
that's them.
and they
That's
have
them. Me and
so
me.
many worse
Me
stories.
and me.
Make
You
your
go for this? You're crazy? You're mad?
No.
I got me say, me? So what God do for me?
Just let's
Me
do
said
it.
no.
Mom,
finish. Just finish.
Mom.
Me not doing it.
Go black out that.
Okay, I'll
but
find
it's
a
something-
different
no, it's
story.
alright. No, but with the 35, that look tricky. Then the 35,000, they look like so they're funny.
It's not
Kinda
35,
square.
it's a full ride.
No, but when you go there with those things with you, if they want you, me to say them things there, that means say
No, I have
this
to
school
make
not right.
the story believable. Come,
Me not doing no man.
just sit down.
Sit. Shani, you know something not internet something there. Like seriously, me.
Mommy, I have to make it believable. Let's.
No, me not do it.
All right, let me change the story. Come,
No.
come. Let me change the
exactly
story.
that. I mean, so be enough your father.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Me never one exotic dance and a for your father. Me not do them as me.
All right. Come. Let me finish. Let me.
I'm telling you, no.
No, she didn't know. Come.
Don't ask me. Me don't tell them the truth.
Okay.
Me tell them.
All right, come. Sit down, Batman. Sit down, Batman.
Oh.
Calm down, mommy.
Me,
Calm
God,
down.
you're mad. God, I'm my back. You would do anything for me.
All right. So, this scholarship is going to
See,
help
God,
me-
that's so look like in our work.
What not working?
Oh, see, he said
No,
no.
it's not in front of the camera.
Oh.
Don't worry about it. But this scholarship will help us to pay her pimp off, and as and as well as send me to school. Mom.
Not this girl, not this lady. I want to pick me so you're your father. No, not me. Me. Me the business. Me the business. Me the business.
Mommy, it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. I went to type it up and me write it. Don't worry. I mean, oh. Guys, for your information, she has never done that. My mom is an upright and upstanding woman. She has never done that. So it's okay. No one believes it anyways. No one believes. No one believes, mommy. No one believes. No one.
Are you?
No one believes.
Show me a letter like
I printed it. That's why I went up. If you look down at bottom, you see Zachariah dumpling admissions. You okay?
me good.
I love you.
Me good, but
You did go cry?
not me. I mean, what me do? God, me say, me come there,
Mommy, how are you feeling?
Me? Oh, me feeling you're not trick me again.
You said that the first.
Not this girl, me not.
Nadine, see this what Nadine comes from. No.
Me, not me. Okay.
Nadine look around like, say what?
Yeah.
Serrani, hold out long door. You
Yeah.
I was trying. Yeah, try to hold it out longer.
She pranked me. She not gonna do it again.
I'm gonna said that the first time. I'm gonna do it again.
Cerise. Thumbs up right
Yeah.
I told
You
her to do
see?
it. I told
On
her to
your
do it.
birthday. Yeah. No, it's okay.
That next time we call him and say, hey, do the prank like what me see by
But we didn't want
Instagram.
to do it from when, you know. But when you all know, the thing you get trying that boot, but me I tell you to do it from when.
But me read the name, but I just have to read them every time. Next time, you know.
So what she write down say? What they doing
Like
say?
a proper.
A proper, it was a proper, but down the bottom we put Zachariah
I never say
dumpling.
about this yet, you know. Oh, me never, you know. I mean, that's not so she moves sometime like she apply to stuff and you know.
I want to catch your daddy.
I want to say thank you to Kadeen for the video idea. Thank you for Auntie Tanya and Milky. Look. Yes, you did. You were laughing, but you helped. And guys, don't forget.
I didn't have no participation in this. I was an innocent guy, crazy.
That's a lie. And guys, don't forget, if you need to do your hair, your nails, come to Platinum Hair Studio.
And this is a place of CD Project who
Yeah.
all of their clothes. Don't forget me.
And Phoebe as well.
Like, share, subscribe, but don't trick me again.
Alright.